continued. Sorry I stopped. So now you can to be continued with the helicopter. Start your engines, everybody. On your mark, go. Let's see what this baby can do. Wow, she is floating up in the slide. What amazing stuff can this thing do? Amazing. Wow. Woo. Everybody cheer for Sandy. Sandy, 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 Sandy. Whoa. If you're on board, let's get a little popcorn. And can you give me some too? That's a beautiful ship. Mwah. So, while you're waiting, I need to tell you that this is my grandpa's. He's a pro of flying a helicopter. And he wants to know everybody he loves to fly it. So, he wants to tell all of the people that he loves to fly a helicopter. So he is very proud, and and it's too windy, so the helicopter it's moving so high. Make it higher. Wow, that's super high. Let's see what it can do up there. Can I fly around? Sure. Can I drop? Yes.
Windy.
But can it? Make it drop. Let's see if it will not crash. Wow. Make it stop on the slide. Make it stop on the slide.
Yeah.
Yes. Now let's see. Will it stop on the slide and drop? Wow, that's a perfect landing.
Yeah, that's it.
Woohoo! So,
Did you
bye.
stop?
And say bye to you,
Bye.
and tell them what's your name.
Thank you for watching.
What's
My
your
name is
name?
Louis.
Good. Bye.